Sound Mixer. Sound Mixer provides the user an advanced method to modify the streaming signal for music and speech. Sound Mixer will only be available during active streaming. To access Sound Mixer, start streaming, then open the Beyond app. Go to the Sound menu on the Start menu, then Sound Mixer. Adjustment of this feature is easy and simple to do by adjusting the slider towards the streaming or more surroundings. On Sound Mixer, there are two fine-tuning options. The first handle allows you to change the emphasis from the streaming to the environmental surroundings. In general, this handle will default to the center position. By swiping to the right, the user can change the focus to the streaming signal. By swiping to the left, the user can change the focus to the environment. This feature is a valuable way to control the clarity and focus when streaming. In addition to changing the focus, the user can change the overall volume of both signals by changing the volume handle. Moving the white circle to the right increases the sound, and moving it to the left decreases the sound. For more information, please go to www.whitex.com for more Beyond videos and FAQs.